Did you know that there are jobs that pay over $100,000 a year? It's true. There are some high-paying jobs that, of course, require a college degree. Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Wisdom. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about jobs that earn over $100K a year. These are some great options to consider if you're looking for a high-paying job. Jobs that earn over $100K a year, number 10. Wind turbine service technician. Wind turbine service technicians are responsible for the maintenance and repair of wind turbines. They work with various tools and equipment to inspect turbine blades, grease bearings, and replace parts. To become a wind turbine service technician, one must have a high school diploma or equivalent. Some experience working with machinery is also helpful. There are several training programs available to help prepare individuals for this career. Many community colleges offer programs that can be completed in as little as 6 months. Wind turbine service technicians typically work full-time hours and may be required to travel to different locations. Some technicians may also be on call in case of emergencies. The average salary for a wind turbine service technician is $52,000 per year, but top earners can make over $100,000 per year. Jobs that earn over $100K a year, number 9. Nuclear power reactor operator. Nuclear power reactors are safe, efficient, and reliable sources of electricity. Operating a nuclear power reactor requires specialized skills and knowledge. As a nuclear power reactor operator, you would be responsible for the day-to-day operation of the reactor. This would involve monitoring its performance, ensuring that it operates safely and within acceptable limits, and carrying out emergency procedures if necessary. To become a nuclear power reactor operator, you must complete a recognized training program. This would typically take between 2 and 4 years. You must also perform regular maintenance tasks such as checking fuel levels and replacing control rods. Once qualified, you will be able to apply for jobs at nuclear power plants worldwide. The median salary for this job is $74,990 per year, but top earners can make over $100,000 per year. Jobs that earn over $100K a year, number 8. Air traffic controller. Air traffic controllers coordinate aircraft movement to maintain safe distances between them. They work in control towers, approach control facilities, or route centers. Most air traffic controllers work full-time, and their work can be stressful because lives depend on their accuracy and ability to make quick decisions. Some air traffic controllers may work rotating shifts that include evenings, nights, weekends, and holidays. Although most air traffic controllers need at least a high school diploma, some employers may require post-secondary education or training, and all must complete on-the-job training. The median annual wage for air traffic controllers was $124,540 in May 2019. Employment of air traffic controllers is projected to grow 3% from 2019 to 2029, about as fast as the average for all occupations. Job opportunities should be best in smaller airports. Controllers who maintain their certification and currency will have the best prospects for employment. Jobs that earn over $100K a year, number 7. Data architect. Data architects design, build, and oversee the daily operations of an organization's data systems. Informed by business needs and objectives, they develop conceptual, logical, and physical models to guide the construction of Ferraro databases. Data architects work with database administrators, analysts, and other IT professionals to ensure that data is integrated correctly, mined, and reported. They also collaborate with line of business managers to understand data requirements, define metrics and KPIs, and track performance against targets. As the custodians of an organization's data assets, data architects play a critical role in ensuring that information is accurate, accessible, and compliant with regulatory requirements. The median salary for this job is $112,760 per year, but top earners can make over $161,000 per year. To become a data architect, you need a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field. Many data architects also have a master's degree in business administration or management information systems. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Jobs that earn over $100K a year, number 6. Tax Manager. Tax managers are responsible for overseeing the tax compliance of businesses and individuals. The median salary for this job is $115,820 per year, but top earners can make over $174,000 per year. To become a tax manager, you will need at least a bachelor's degree in accounting or a related field. Many tax managers also have a master's degree in taxation or accounting. Jobs that earn over $100K a year. Number 5. Software Development Manager. The Software Development Manager is responsible for the overall software development process. This includes coordinating and managing the project's resources, schedule, and budget. They also work closely with the client to ensure their needs are met. The Software Development Manager must have a solid technical background and be able to lead a team of developers. In addition, they oversee the testing and quality assurance of the software. They must also be able to communicate effectively with all team members. They must also be able to work well under pressure and meet deadlines. Software Development Managers oversee the software development process. The median salary for this job is $135,780 per year, but top earners can make over $201,000 per year. To become a software development manager, you will need a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field. Many software development managers also have a master's degree in business administration or management information systems. Jobs that earn over $100K a year. Number 4. Lawyer. Lawyers provide legal advice and represent clients in court. The median salary for this job is $120,910 per year, but top earners can make over $184,000 per year. To become a lawyer, you must complete a 4-year bachelor's degree followed by 3 years of law school. After passing the bar exam, you will be licensed to practice law. Jobs that earn over $100K a year. Number 3. Management Consultant. The median salary for this job is $81,330 per year, but top earners can make over $135,000 per year. Management consultants are hired by organizations to provide expert advice and guidance on a wide range of issues. From strategic planning to financial management, consultants can offer valuable insights and recommendations that help businesses improve their operations and performance. While the specific duties of a management consultant vary depending on the client's needs, all consultants must be able to analyze data effectively, identify problems, and develop solutions aligned with the organization's goals and objectives. In addition to strong analytical skills, successful consultants must also have excellent communication and interpersonal skills to build relationships with clients and other key stakeholders. You will need at least a bachelor's degree to become a management consultant. Many management consultants also have a master's degree in business administration or management consulting. If you're considering a career as a management consultant, be prepared to work long hours and travel frequently. However, the rewards of this demanding profession can be substantial, both professionally and financially. Jobs that earn over $100K a year. Number 2. Physician. Physicians provide medical care to patients. The median salary for this job is $196,490 per year, but top earners can make over $208,000 per year. To become a physician, you must complete 4 years of undergraduate and 4 years of medical school. After completing a residency program, you'll be licensed to practice medicine. Lastly, a job that earns over $100K a year. Petroleum Engineer. Petroleum engineers are responsible for supervising the drilling of oil and gas wells and managing the construction of new wells. They also develop plans for good completion, production forecasts, and estimate reserves. In addition, petroleum engineers work with geologists to locate new oil and gas deposits. Once a deposit has been found, they determine the best way to extract the petroleum. Petroleum engineers also design equipment used in drilling and the transportation of petroleum products. They may also be involved in oil and gas exploration and production-related environmental issues. As the demand for energy increases, there will likely be an increase in the need for petroleum engineers. To become a petroleum engineer, you must complete a bachelor's degree in engineering. The median salary for this job is $148,650 per year, and top earners can make over $186,000 per year. Many different jobs earn over $100K a year. These jobs include lawyers, management consultants, physicians, and petroleum engineers. To become one of these professionals, you must complete a 4-year bachelor's degree followed by 3 years of law school or medical school. Additionally, you should be prepared to work long hours and travel frequently. Although these jobs are demanding, they can be very rewarding professionally and financially. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.